So coming here is really important to me. I have really chronic anxiety. It's debilitating sometimes. And for me to be able to go for a walk here or to go for a walk in general is really important, just to help calm me down. And knowing that I have this safe haven all the time, it's my minute with nature, and that's why it's so important to me to be here in nature every day. So I'm walking to the allotment now. This is a walk that I do all the time that I go there. And I've been going there for about over 10 years now. The allotment is definitely my sanctuary and my second home. I love it, it's peaceful, it's quiet, and I can set my own agenda and know what I've got to do. For me, growing is about confidence. Growing is about trusting myself and knowing that I've confidently grown a plant and taken care of it. And at the end of the day, for me, growing a plant is taking care of somebody. It's my way of taking care of people, and it reflects in everything I try and do and in nature as well. So my poems hopefully will reflect the care that I give to nature and what the care nature brings back to me too. This poem is called The Seed. Sow the seed and watch it grow. Like the sun shines in the morning, it looks for light. Soon it will put roots down to connect with black earth, dark as the night sky. It unravels its arms, and in a mini celebration, it lifts its arms and it celebrates the future that is a seedling's life. I've always had an obsession with growing seeds since I was a little kid. My mum's taught me gardening since I was a little baby, and I've always had a seed obsession. So for me to grow these big plants in the allotment is such a joy. This poem is called Nature Walk. Let's go for a walk in the woods. Hear the leaves crunch underfoot, the blanket of blue like the sea. Their heads are like praying, the bells are ringing in the wind. The birds sing all day. What a wonderful way to walk in nature. We are in my woods. I love this wood, it's so sacred. Trees are important to me because they are always there when you feel like you need just some peace and quiet. And trees are very relaxing. You can hear them creaking, their leaves blowing in the wind. I love listening out for birds and trying to identify which bird is it. So for me, I love coming to my local woods. It's very peaceful and I just love it. This poem is called My Secret. I have hidden a secret, so misunderstood it's unbearable. Over the years, I've shied away, locked it and thrown away the key. For I have a disability that's a part of me. I've often wondered what my life would be like without it. Would my soul be free? No, it wouldn't. For God has given me the gift of loving unconditionally, the gift of teaching laughter, the gift of hope. I am.